Welcome to lesson 2. Let's begin. About 225 grams of water. Room temperature is fine. And a packet of yeast, dry active yeast. We're not going to be using sugar today. And then we're going to need a little bit of olive oil, about a tablespoon of olive oil. And then we're going to need 300 grams of bread flour. We're making the bread a little bigger today. And 5 grams of salt. With our fingertips, we're going to start to bring it all together. We're going to put our fingertips in the middle and keep going in a circle. And then slowly bring the flour into the center. And we're going to keep going until all the flour is hydrated. This is a softer bread, so the temptation would be to add flour. Do not add flour. Just keep bringing all the flour together. Don't worry if you make a mess. Just come back to it and keep going. As you're going along, start noticing the texture of the dough, the hydration, how it's all coming together. Once it all comes together, we're going to put a little bit of oil on top. Now the olive oil helps the dough not stick to the bowl because it's a soft bread or a soft dough. We're going to cover it and leave it on the counter for 1 hour. When the hour is up, we are going to uncover it and shape it. In lesson 1, we shaped it in the bowl. In this lesson, we are going to shape it on a mat. Put some olive oil on your fingertips. Bring the dough in from the outside to the center. We're going to give it some strength. Now you don't have to shape your dough on a mat. You can shape it on your work surface. Like in lesson 1, we're going to keep turning the dough from the outside in until it's nicely strengthened. So keep going, and as we go, it's going to get tighter and tighter. Now for our baking pan, we're going to use a little bit of olive oil today instead of butter. Now my pan is non-stick. If you don't have a non-stick, spread some butter in your pan. Make sure all the corners and the sides are covered. Then add your olive oil and spread that around. We're going to put about a drop, and I mean a drop, not even a teaspoon of olive oil on our surface, and flip our bowl over. Going to hydrate our hands with a little bit of olive oil. We're going to flip our bread over, spread it out gently, keeping in mind the length of your pan. And we're going to flip it and then press it down. Flip it one more time, press it down, and flip the opposite side over it. And again, we're going to flip it over and we're going to do our pinching. If we don't pinch, as we learned in lesson 1, our bread will be opened wide after we bake it. And then now we shape it and then put it in our pan. If you need more oil, go ahead. But there we go. And we're going to let this rise for another hour. We're going to cover it, let it rise for another hour. At the 45-minute mark, we're going to turn the oven on and let it bake for 25 to 30 minutes. at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. The ingredients and recipe step by step will be in the description box. Oh, look at that. That is looking good. We're getting ready to put it in the oven. And out it comes looking good and easily flips out of the pan, nice and hot. The olive oil in the inside of the bread makes your bread soft, and on the outside, it gives your bread a nice toasty, slight crunch on the outside. Let's break bread together. Nice. Soft and fluffy. Hope you enjoyed lesson 2. Come back for lesson 3, where we learn to knead the bread and make different shapes. Until next time, bon appetit!